Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how you can set your Bosch oven to turn off after a certain amount of time. For example, if you're cooking something for 30 minutes and you want the oven to turn itself off automatically, we can set that. You don't have to come here and turn it off. And it's nice and easy to do. You can only access the setting when the oven or the grill is on. So if you're trying to find it now, you're not going to be able to find it. But if you turn the oven on, then hit this middle button here, you can see that when we go to that one there, it comes up with this symbol here. That's the symbol we're looking for. You've got to be quite quick. It only gives you a couple of seconds before it reverts back again. But when we hit this button here, every time we hit it, it's going to scroll through different things. We want it to be on that symbol there. And then if we hit the plus or the minus, it's going to start counting from that amount of time. So it's going to go up in 1 minute intervals, but then once we go over the hour, it will jump up in 5 minute intervals and down in 5 minute intervals. So let's pretend now we want to cook something for 30 minutes. So we've got this set here, we've got this set here, and now we're just going to change this here to 30. And give it a few seconds and it will just start counting down from then. And then after 30 minutes, the oven will automatically turn itself off. Now, rather than waiting on video for that amount of time, let's bring it right the way down to 1 minute, because that's the lowest we can do. And I'll fast forward through, you'll see it start counting down now. And it will at the end give you some audible tones, 9 of them, but also if you have a look at the oven light, you will see it will go off because it's turned the oven off. There we go, so you can see it's gone off now and it's letting you know that the timer's done. And that is it. You can just turn it off here. If you want to get it back to the time here and you want to leave this on, you can just go to this one here, and now the oven will still be on. But if you've just finished, you're going to be turning that off there and leaving that there. Now, let's say if you've set it for an hour or something and then you realize that you want to leave the oven on, but you don't want that on anymore, then you can just bring it back down to 0. So if I was to go to here now and go up to 1 hour, and it will start counting down, and then you realize that you don't actually want that timer on anymore, but you still want the oven to be on, then you can just bring it to 0 and you will see that the oven will stay on here. So bringing this to 0, it's quite quick, it doesn't take long. Just hold down the minus button. And you can see now it's at 0, but the oven is still on and it's gone back to time. So that's how you cancel it if you don't want it. So hopefully this video has helped you out. Give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.